Hey friends, this is the how-to video for iMovie. So here's what we're going to start. Now don't forget, you can pause at any point during this so that you can do what's asked and then you can pick up the video from there. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by connecting to the server. So we're going to go connect to server, OS faculty. And you're going to go to faculty. Now I'm going to go to CMason since that's me, but you're going to go to faculty and then CMason. I'm just going to go to CMason since I'm already logged in. So you're going to go to faculty, CMason, public folder, JR project, and then you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff here. All right. So we've got anchors, 2012, backgrounds, pics and pics, photos, and reporters. So I'm going to click on anchors first. And I'm going to drag out all the videos that apply to my project. So if I have Mara as my anchor, which I'm going to pretend I do, I'm going to click on Mara here, and I'm going to drag her out onto the desktop. And I'm going to wait patiently for that to download. All right, there we go. Now, I'm going to go to Reporters 2012. And I'm going to drag out the reporter video that applies to me. So that's Isaiah and Emma. And I'm going to drag and drop it. And I'm going to wait. And I won't sing this time. Sorry. All right. Now, since we did green screen, that means we need a background. And so now I'm going to go to backgrounds, and I'm going to choose the background that best works for my project. And so I've got various baseball games. I've got a boxing ring, I've got a Dodgers sign, Hall of Fame entrance, Hall of Fame side, inside, that should say inside a house, not inside a house, inside, and then some bright stadium lights. Okay, now since this is Emma and Isaiah, I'm going to drag out a boxing ring since it's Joe Louis. And the anchor gets to make a choice, well, you all get to make a choice about the picture-in-picture that's going to appear over the anchor's shoulder. Okay. So there's a couple options to choose from here. Since they're interviewing about Jackie making the team, I'm going to choose that one. So I got all this stuff on my desktop now. I am going to close out of that. So now I've got all my videos and all my backgrounds ready to rock. So now I am going to open up iMovie, which for me is going to be somewhere in here. For you guys, it should be right on your dock. Go to File, Import, Movies. And you can see that we're going to have lots of options here. Now, we've got all these movies on our desktop that we're going to choose from. Okay? But I want to tell it to create a new event. And I'm going to call this Jackie Robinson Project. You guys can call it that also. So we want it to create new event, Jackie Robinson Project. And I'm going to click on, first I'll just click on Isaiah and Emma, and I'm going to import that. And it should say processing. And I will see you, I'm going to fast forward this part, but I'll see you at the other side of this when it's finished processing. All right, so now I've got my Jackie Robinson project, and I've got Emma and Isaiah in here talking really fast. Okay, well, I need to get the rest of the video. So I'm going to go to File, Import, Movies. Now, I should be able to click and then shift-click on all the Mara movies, and it should let me do that. Now, I wanted to add to existing event right here, Jackie Robinson Project, and I'm going to click Import. So I can click, shift-click on the last Mara video, or I can hold down the Command key and individually click all of these. And I'm going to say Import. And I will see you on the other side of this import. Well, we've got all of our anchor footage and our interview footage. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go up to this part where it says Edit. It says Project Library. See, this is the event library down here. We got Project Library up here. If they're switched, don't worry about that. You could actually push this button right here, and it switches your project and events. I personally like the projects up top. Now I'm going to go to this plus sign right here, and I'm going to say New Project, and I'm going to call this Jackie Robinson. Okay? Now I don't want any themes. I want no themes selected here. This is not the time for this theme. So we're going to go to Create, Everything else you just leave the same. Okay, 30 frames per second, cross dissolve, and create.